Okay, 13.16 show the errors in the following code. We can have an embedded class here. So we have interface A, and this is the abstract method we declare as public. So normally public abstract void then M1, because app interface can have only abstract methods. Then open we omit it. And then class B, okay, this is the default modifier. And then implement A, interface A. So we must implement public abstract methods. But as you can see here, we are using default feasibility modifiers. If you remember, we have a public. If we don't specify, that's what we call as a default, protected, and then private feasibility modifiers. Okay, because this is declared as public, you can now reduce to be default. Okay, so in this case, at least you have to say public. Okay, keep it same feasibility modifier, then it's okay. That's it. Thank you.